It appears that Winston might want to help. Or maybe not. The pantry is now empty. And Marty took the door off. The shelves here are gone. And I'll show you where everything is. The living room is basically turned into a pantry. Demo has started.
Reno.
As demo continues, we found some garbage. Not even kidding you. What's in your wall? The pantry is mostly demoed. And making progress on the walls.
Going straight, we're going straight in. We'll just set it in here, because what we'll do is we'll take it apart and cut each one separately and put each one in separately.
The beams, I should say.
You want it slid back or right there? Yeah, slide it back. Okay. Very good.
Watch your fingers,
Oh,
dude.
Okay. Here's the new floor.
My new floor.
Subfloor.
Subfloor. Ah! It might look small, but that's gonna hold all of our construction debris. And they'll come pick it up when we're done.
All right, Marty. Yep. That mark right there, that little one I made, right there, one I just made. Yep. I want you to put this on that side of that mark.
Gotcha.
Okay. Let me
Are you ready?
triple check this one. Yep. All right. All right. You got it.
Looks good to me.
All right. Is there sound in that video?
Yeah, but I can always mute it. I'm just getting the footage. I can edit it all later, mute it, do a voiceover, whatever.
So if I curse, you'll cut it out.
If you curse, I'll smack you with that beam.
Good. You can't lift the beam.
And this isn't just for YouTube, it's for me too, for us to look back on.
All right, are you there?
Looks good to me.
This will be the hang the plastic on.
Okay.
I got the saw all set to cut the drywall. Cut the drywall. Then, yeah. This will also be the header for my temporary support wall. All right. Now.
Are you wearing a mask?
Sure. Okay, this is a cold air return, this is a duct, and that's fine. You can use a regular duct, or you can do sheet metal stapled on a raceway like this. But this is not the way to do a heat duct. What they did is the door used to be over here, and there was just a small, like 32-inch door. And so they want to make it wider. In order to do that, they got into the heat duct, and so they cut it in half. They cut it in half. That's the one that goes over and up into the master bedroom, and that's why the master bedroom doesn't heat up right.
The master bedroom runs cold.
And the bedroom's cold because
Except in the summer it runs hot.
Yeah, it runs hot because it's not getting its full flow of heat in the winter and air conditioning in the summer.
Right.
Plus, this is an illegal junction box up here because it was there and totally covered up.
Oh my.
And you also have the electric going through the heat duct. That's illegal too.
Huh.
So.
Well, then it's good we're doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let me come over here.
So anyway.
All right.
So we'll have to straighten out that electrical. As usual in this house. This is an original outlet here. These outlets are original. They're the MC cable. There was something here originally, but these blue boxes have been added later. Which is all right to use blue boxes, just wire them right and don't have a junction box behind the wall. Number one violation in this house.
Well, it'll get fixed now.
Yep, it will.
Alrighty. The demo is basically complete. Now we have to clean this up enough to walk through, and this part of the wall still has to be demoed, but we have to put up the beam, and that's a whole different project. So this is all we're going to do tonight, and clean up enough so we can access the kitchen. So here's the kitchen and dining room now after most of the demo is done. We will be starting on the floor, possibly tonight. A little bit was started there. To give you an idea of how easy that will be, I'll try to reach down here and show you. These tiles just literally pick up. Because whoever laid these tiles just put them right over the slatted boards instead of putting down a subfloor. And of course the slatted boards are going to shift and it caused cracks. And as I showed you before, there are many cracks throughout this floor. Some are worse than others, but it's very cracked up. this floor is really everything it's cracked up to be. Ha ha ha. Puns are alive and well. Anyway, you can now see through from the kitchen into the dining room, and it's kind of cool. But the rest of this can't come down until we put up the support beams, since this is a supporting wall. But I just thought I'd show you. We did have Sunday dinner in here today, and yeah, there's a couple jackets still hanging on chairs, whatever. We've dusted about 6 times. We did clean off the table enough to eat. But if you've ever been involved in a construction, then you realize that the dust settles and settles and settles, and you have to clean and clean and clean. My hubby found some more illegal wiring. Somebody covered up another, I guess they're called junction box, another electrical box. It was behind the drywall. So yeah, it's coming along. We're super stoked, a little bit exhausted. Yesterday was a long day, but we're making progress. Thanks for following along.